Hello learners, welcome back for the new video. In this video we will design the circular type sedimentation tank. The design of circular type sedimentation tank is little bit different than the design of a rectangular type sedimentation tank. Let's see what is the difference. So first we have a problem statement. Design a circular type sedimentation tank for the following data. Then the detention period is given 4 hours, flow rate is given 3 mld, then depth of water is given as 3 meter. So I will write the given data. First, detention time is equal to 4 hours. Then second, depth of water is equal to 3 meter. Then third, flow rate is equal to 3 mld. We need to convert this the flow rate in meter cube per hour. So let's convert. We know that the conversion 3 mld means 10 raised to 6 liter per day, and to convert 10 raised to 6 liter per day into meter cube per day is 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Then now we have to convert meter cube per day into meter cube per hour. So 3 into 10 raised to 3 in 1 day is equal to 24 hours is equal to meter cube per hour. After solving this, you will get the flow rate in terms of meter cube per hour, and the value of meter cube per hour is 125 meter cube per hour. Okay. So let's start the solution. Here we have to find the dimension of circular sedimentation tank. The depth is already given, so we need to find only the diameter of circular type sedimentation tank. So let's find the diameter. For finding diameter, first we have to find the volume of the sedimentation tank, and we know that for finding out the volume we have to use the formula for detention period. Detention period is equal to volume upon flow rate. Therefore volume is equal to detention time into flow rate. Detention time is 4 hours, to flow rate is 125 meter cube per hour. You will get the volume in meter cube, as its values will be 500 meter cube. The volume of the circular type sedimentation tank is 500 meter cube. Now we have to find the diameter from this formula, from this volume. Okay, so we know that if the tank is cylindrical, completely cylindrical, okay, the volume of the cylinder, we know that pi by 4 d square into h. This formula is applicable only when the object is cylindrical shape. But in primary type circular sedimentation tank, the shape of the circular type sedimentation tank will be, it is cylindrical in some portion, and after that at the bottom the shape of the sedimentation tank is conical shape. Upper portion is of cylindrical shape and bottom portion is of a conical shape. That's why the formula for this type of object is given by the volume of this type of tank is given by d square into 0.011 into d plus 0.785 into h, where d is the diameter of this tank and h is the height of the tank. So we have this value. We don't have this value d, that means diameter. So let's put volume and height value in this equation. Volume is 500 meter cube. Then diameter, let's put it as it is, 0.011 d plus 0.785 into h. H value is the diameter, depth of the sedimentation tank. Depth is 3 meter into 3. After solving this equation, you will get the value of diameter as diameter of circular sedimentation tank is equal to 14.13 meter. I'll round up it as 15 meter. That means the diameter of circular type sedimentation tank is 15 meter, depth is 3 meter. So assume a freeboard and sludge depth as 0.5 meter each. Therefore total depth of sedimentation tank, total depth is equal to 3 meter is the actual depth or water depth plus 0.5 meter plus 0.5 meter. That means 4 meter. The depth of the circular type sedimentation tank is 4 meter and the diameter of sedimentation tank is 15 meter. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.